A convoy of Russian troop trucks was reportedly targeted in an FPV first-person view drone strike carried out by Ukrainian forces during a fast-moving and high-intensity operation along one section of the front line. Footage circulating on social media appears to show an FPV drone racing toward the convoy at high speed before locking onto a moving vehicle. The incident once again highlights how inexpensive yet highly effective drones have transformed the nature of modern warfare. The convoy, consisting of several military transport trucks, was reportedly carrying troops and equipment toward forward positions. As the vehicles traveled in formation, Ukrainian drone operators observed their movement from above, carefully tracking the convoy before selecting what appeared to be the most strategically valuable target. The strike was launched when the convoy had limited room to maneuver. Within seconds, the FPV drone flew low along the roadway and slammed into one of the lead trucks. The resulting explosion sent thick smoke into the air and forced the vehicles behind it to stop abruptly. The orderly convoy quickly descended into chaos as soldiers scrambled for cover amid fears of additional drone attack. Several vehicles attempted to leave the roadway to avoid the danger zone, while troops nearby rushed to find cover. In such situations, every second can determine survival, as even a brief delay may provide another incoming drone with an opportunity to strike. FPV drones have become one of the most widely used weapons on the battlefield in Ukraine due to their ability to deliver highly precise attacks at relatively low cost. Equipped with real-time cameras, these drones allow operators to guide them directly onto their targets, significantly increasing the likelihood of a successful strike. Attacks against logistics, convoys, and troop transport vehicles have become a common tactic aimed at disrupting enemy mobility. Once the lead vehicle is disabled, the rest of the convoy can become trapped on narrow roads, leaving it vulnerable to follow-up attacks from multiple directions. There has been no official confirmation regarding casualties or the full extent of the damage caused by the reported strike. However, footage circulating online appears to show a significant disruption to the convoy's movement. As with many videos emerging from active conflict zones, the exact location, timing, and circumstances remain difficult to verify independently and should therefore be treated with caution. The Russia-Ukraine conflict continues to serve as a proving ground for rapidly evolving unmanned warfare technologies. Both sides increasingly rely on drones for reconnaissance, artillery spotting, and direct attacks against armored vehicles, logistics convoys, and troop transports. These developments demonstrate that battlefield air superiority is no longer determined solely by manned aircraft. Military analysts argue that protecting convoys has become increasingly challenging. In addition to requiring short-range air defense systems and electronic warfare capabilities, commanders must now account for the constant threat of drones that can emerge unexpectedly from virtually any direction. This incident underscores a defining reality of modern warfare. The greatest threat does not always come from large or sophisticated weapon systems. Small, fast, and difficult to detect FPV drones are capable of altering the course of an operation within seconds. As the conflict continues, both Russia and Ukraine are expected to further develop new technologies and tactics in an ongoing effort to counter the rapidly evolving drone threat.